Good morning, children. For this chapter, long and short, we have done so many activities where we have learned how to measure the length of objects, how to measure the height. We have gone through the chapter also. Now I have prepared a PowerPoint presentation where I'm going to teach you how to convert centimeters to meters to centimeters, kilometer to meters, and meters to kilometers, and so many other things. So let's start the PowerPoint presentation. Units of measuring length, non-standard units. In olden times, children, when the standard units like centimeter, millimeter, meter, kilometer were not there, in those times, human beings used to measure lengths with the help of things like cubit. Now, cubit is the length of the arm from the elbow to the end of the middle finger. So this was called cubit. Then they also used handspan. Handspan was the length of the end of the little finger to the end of the thumb if the hand was stretched. Also, they used pace. Pace is the length of the step. Now, children, you can easily make out that these three units were different for different people. If somebody is very tall, naturally, the length of his footstep will be more than someone who is short. And same is the case with cubit and handspan. So there arose a need for standard units. And then man got millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. Things which are very, very small, like the medicine capsules, they can be measured in millimeters. All of you are having scales to draw lines and to measure them. On the scale, millimeters and centimeters have been drawn. The distance between two lines of 1 centimeter have been divided into 10 equal parts, and each part is a millimeter. Now, if you wanted to measure something like a pencil or a pen, then centimeter is the appropriate unit to measure these pencil and pens. If you wanted to measure the length of a car, then appropriate unit is meter. You can also measure it in centimeters. Now, if you wanted to measure the distance between two cities, for instance, here you can see California and New York. These are two cities in United States, and if you wanted to measure the distance between these two cities as the crow flies, it means the aerial distance, as the plane would fly. So you would measure it in kilometers. So this is how we measure different things. Now in this slide, we are going to convert centimeter to meter and centimeter. When I showed you the slide of car, I told you that we can measure it in meters as well as in centimeters. So if a long object is measured in centimeters and we want to change it into meters and centimeters, This is how we do it. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It means when 100 centimeters are there, 1 meter is formed. So 2 meter is 200 centimeter, 3 meter is 300 centimeter, 4 meter is 400 centimeter, and so on. Now we have 935 centimeter, which is equal to 900 centimeter plus 35 centimeter. 900 centimeter is 9 meters. So this is equal to 9 meters 35 centimeter. 735 centimeter. I want to change it into meter and centimeter. Now this has 700 centimeters and 35 centimeters. Now 700 centimeter is equal to 7 meter and 35 centimeters. So it will be 7 meter 35 centimeter. 511 centimeter is equal to 500 centimeter plus 11 centimeter. So 500 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. And this is 5 meter 11 centimeter. 306 centimeter. This is 300 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. Now 300 centimeter is 3 meter. So this will be 3 meter 6 centimeter. I'm sure children by now you would have seen that the last two digits, see last two digits in all these are the centimeter portions and the remaining is the meter portion. Same way in 804 we have 8 meters and 4 centimeter. In 245 centimeter we have 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Now we are going to do the reverse of this. We are going to convert meters to centimeters. Now 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 2 meter is 200 centimeter, 3 meter is 300 centimeter, and so on. So 9 meter will be 900 centimeter. Why? Because we are multiplying 9 by 100 centimeter. So 9 into 100 is 900 centimeter. 7 meter 35 centimeter. Suppose something is this long, 7 meter and 35 centimeter long, and you want to know what is its length in centimeters. Now 7 meter is 700 centimeter plus 35 is 735 centimeter. 5 meter 11 centimeter. 5 meter is 500 centimeter. You add 11, it is 511 centimeter. 3 meter 6 centimeter. 3 meter is 300 centimeter plus 6 is 306 centimeter. 8 meter 4 centimeter is 804 centimeter because 8 meter is 800 meter plus 4 is 804 centimeter. 2 meter 45 centimeter. 2 meter is 200 centimeter and you add 45 in it, you get 245 centimeter. I hope children, changing meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter is clear to you. Now we move further. In this slide, we are going to change meter to kilometer. Now, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So children, when 1000 meters are put together, 1 kilometer is formed. So 2 kilometer is 2000 meters, 3 kilometer is 3000 meters, 4 kilometer is 4000 meters, and so on. 6 kilometer is 6000 meter. Why? Because we are multiplying 6 with 1000. 6 into 1000 is 6000 meters. Okay, now let us move to 8350 meters. I want to change it into kilometer and meter. In this, we have 8000 meter plus 350 meters. So this will be 8 kilometer 350 meter. 7110 meters. In this we have 7000 meters and 110 meters. Now 7000 meters is 7 kilometer and 110 meters. Now this is 5068 meters. We have 5000 plus 68. So 5 kilometer 68 meters. This is 3004 meters. It is 3 kilometer and 4 meters. 2705 meters is 2 kilometer and 705 meter. So children, in all these lengths, please pay attention. The last 3 digits, the number formed by the last 3 digits, that is meters, 350 meters. And whatever is the remaining, that is the kilometer. Here also 110 meter and 7 kilometer, 68 meter and 5 kilometer, 4 meter and 3 kilometer, 705 meter and 2 kilometer. I hope you would have understood how just by looking at it you can quickly make out how many kilometers and meters are there. Okay, in this slide we are going to do the reverse process. We are going to change kilometer to meter. Now we have learned already that in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. 2 kilometers will have 2000 meters, 3 kilometers will have 3000 meters, 4 kilometers will have 4000 meters, and so on. 6 kilometers will have 6000 meters. Why? Because we are multiplying 6 with 1000. So we get 6000 meters. Now 4 kilometers and 350 meters. 4 kilometers is 4000 meters. Plus 350 will give you 4350 meters. 2 kilometers and 110 meters will be 2000 meters plus 110 meters will be equal to 2110 meters. 1 kilometer 68 meters. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter plus 68 is 1068 meters. 8 kilometer 4 meter is 8004 meters. 3 kilometer 45 meter is 3045 meters. I really hope children you would have understood this. If you still have doubt, I request you to run through the video once again, and I really hope you will understand. We will study more about lengths in our next video. Thank you, children. Have a great day.